In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many requests error in Outlook and Hotmail. Now, in case you're trying to sign in, for example, into Outlook or into Hotmail, and then when you enter in your password, you just get the error, which says something along the lines of too many requests or something like that, and you basically just can't sign in. I'm going to show you everything you can do to fix this right now. Now, you're going to likely be on this page over here. And then what you're gonna have to do is you just want to spam this refresh button a few times, okay? So just spam it or press down the F5 key on your keyboard and just keep on refreshing the website until you can sign in. Now this has worked for a lot of people and hopefully it's gonna work for you as well. So just keep on spamming the refresh and every once in a while try putting in your password and see if it's now working and you can now sign in. Now that's the first thing. If that didn't work, click up here where you can see those kind of two lines, and then click on Cookies and Site Data. Here, click on Manage On-Device Site Data, and make sure you delete all of these over here. So just delete all these, click on Done. So click on these trash bin icons, click on Done, and then again refresh the website and try signing in. If that still didn't work, and even the refreshing thing didn't work, even when you try it again after clearing the cookies and site data, what you should do is simply close down everything on your computer and then restart your router and then reopen your router. So when it turns back on, connect to your internet, come back and try signing in. So these are all the ways you can try fixing this, and hopefully one of these will work for you. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.